So we are going to discuss the continuation of that section. What's the section name? The technical analysis. Okay. So in this series we will discuss multiple stocks. Okay, around thousands of stocks on technical basis. No fundamental things will be discussed in this video. So in this video we are going to discuss 20 stocks. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 20. So we will start with the Indian Bank and we will end up with a Godrej Consumer Products. Okay, so we can go with that. Okay. So let's go to Indian Bank. Yeah. Okay. So we will putting the chart on a weekly time frame so that we can identify it clearly. So yeah, we will discuss guys. Here you can see guys, around this top level, here you can see a trend line was there. Here you can see guys. If you connect these lines with perfectly, here you can see a trend line was here. Okay, it's already breakout also, isn't it? So here was the entry. So we can just wait for a retracement to this level. It can be retraced if you have to wait for this pattern to break. Okay, here also a flag is creating. So if this pattern again breaking, you can try there stop loss, putting the stop loss below, and in case the best entry will come, I will tell you by the probability. Okay, so the best entry will come here. It is coming here and retesting this level. Enter full of the quantity and punch. Stop loss would have been below here. Okay, not below here, below here. Okay, brief price also you have to get. Okay, not put below here. Below here you have to put. So coming to here, enter full quantity and put the stop loss below here and trial it. Okay guys, if the swing is creating, trial it, or you can book on Monday to 3. That's depending upon your risk reward. Okay, so if I am entering, if the fundamental also good, I will try this stock. Okay, because it is it's the breakout is a large. Here you can see large time frame breakout also, so it can give a massive move also. So I will in my opinion I will hold this trade, but the thing is here you can see the level has been, it's coming around long. Here you can see it's coming from here, from just not non-stopping. Oh yes, it's stopping somewhere here. Okay, so you can perfectly alright guys, you can go with full quantity. So the best entry will come like that. So that the probability has a 60-70% or 80% of the probability, and if this entry is coming here also you can punch the full quantity, but probability if I'm telling you, the probability will be 60-70%. Okay, maximum. Stop loss would have been below here. Don't put stop loss below here then, because you entering here, putting a stop loss here, and if imagine that if the stop loss is taking, that will be the that will be not good for risk reward. Or if you are okay with the quantity sizing, and I just have to make some profit of this because I already missed this trade, so in that scenario you can punch the stop loss below. If I am taking the trade here also, I will put the SL below here. That will be better. Depending upon that, I will punch the quantity. Okay guys, so it is nothing about the greedy guys. You have to punch the quantity based on the correct stock section positional. Okay, so you have to punch based on that, not based on greedy. So that's my view. So guys, I will again discuss. So this second guys, I will just remove that so that I can clearly tell you. Okay, so in case, imagine that in case it is coming to here, punch full quantity, trial it. If the fundamental also good, or book 1 into 3, that's depending upon your risk reward capital. And if it is directly breaking, then also punch the quantity, putting the stop loss below here. It's good. If you're punching full quantity, 50% of the stop loss put here below, and rest of the stop loss put below here. Okay, that will be good. So that's my view. I will just take a screenshot that I can share with my students also. So just a second, we'll just remove these things. Yeah, on lower level. Okay, so I'll just take a screenshot so that I can share with my friends. Okay, I have to just draw a line also here. Okay, so yeah, so I just have to drawing so that they can clearly see, because I'm just uploading the photo. I just not telling the video because I didn't uploading this on our Telegram. So I just uploading this photo so that they can see clearly. So yeah, so I will just save it to my gallery. Where my gallery? Yeah. So guys, I think we can go to the next, isn't it? Yeah. So we will go to ITC. So yeah, I'll just remove all drawings. I think these lines I am drawn previously, so I'll just remove. So you all know ITC stock, it's a good stock. Fundamentally also it's a good company. So on a higher level I will discuss. Here you can see guys, here was a trend line on current, here you can see here was a trend line. It's broken also. So the move has been already happened, nothing to tell on the current level. Current level no entry. If it is coming to here also, I will not suggesting you to enter because it's a small pattern. So on my view, guys, it's only my view. Okay, I am not telling you to buy or sell depending upon my view. If you want, you can use. Otherwise, just go. Okay. So here, any type of flags or any type of small pattern consolidation and breaking, then you can try putting the stop loss only below here, not below here. Okay, because you already missed this trade. Putting the stop loss below here will not shoot your risk reward. Okay, so putting the stop loss below here, that will be better on my view. Okay. So if you want, you can use any type of pattern on higher level, putting stop loss below here, and you can buy. A target will be, you can look for -3 or 2, depending on your risk reward. Okay, but on target you want. Okay, so that's it, and nothing more to discuss in this talk because it's already the move has been ended. So I will discuss the previously done things also. So here you can see guys, trap entry is also coming. Okay. But we cannot try on the car. So trap entry is a little bit risky. So I will maybe tell you another section. Here you can see guys, here was a multiple time. Where was my here? Okay. Here was a multiple time hit level was there, but it is not coming to that level. It's coming to here and not making any pattern also. It's just coming to here and it's directly gone up. So no entry will get you there. So guys, if you getting any entry here, make sure that you punching the quantity will be lesser. 50% of the quantity will be lesser because already the moves has been given from the bottom level. So punching the quantity will have to be lesser. That's my view. Nothing more to discuss in chart. Okay. The ones who ended here on the breakout, they are taken the SL here. You can see it. Okay. Retest also some ended. They will taking SL also. So that's it. Nothing more to discuss. So I will just go to the next section. So we will go to IDFC First Bank Ltd. So guys, this also I will discuss on weekly chart. Okay guys. So here you can see guys, here was a trend line. I will just take the trend line section. Yeah. Here you can see, or you can draw like this also. Was a trend line. My favorite pattern is coming here. You can see here. This is my favorite thing. Spraying itself because 90 degree full retracement. That's my favorite. So you can try on that because it is my favorite pattern. If you want, you can try or just leave it because it's risky also. So if you want, you can try. I'm not telling you to try on based on my view. If you want, you can try. Otherwise, they will let it go. So yeah. So current view is if it is coming to this level, that should be better, guys. Here was the level, but trend line is getting here. So guys, coming to this level will be better if you are confident, or if you want, you can add just 20% of the quantity current level, 20 maximum 20%. We don't know because we don't have to miss the move because it is coming to the resistance. That support, not resistance. Yes, sorry. So that support, so you can add because you don't have to miss the move. Maybe it can go like this also. So if you don't want to miss the move, you can add just 20% of the quantity here. If it is coming, okay, you can just. But stop loss would have been below here. Okay, not here. Would have been below here if you add 20% full quantity also. If you adding much of quantity, you adding stop loss would have been below here. Okay, so that's the rule. So rest of the quantity you can add another 20 to 40, 50, 60% of the quantity here also, and rest of the quantity on the trend line, if it is coming to trend line. Okay, because why I am telling you to add down in this level also, because there can be a chance that it can be retraced from here on, rallied from here onwards also. Okay, so that's why I am telling you to add some of the quantity there, so you can, in case it is missing you also, then also you can book the partial profit in that. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you. So I will just remove the ordering so that you can clearly see. So guys, so as I tell you, you can add. I will just put you on a line here. I just put you here. You can see, guys, you can add when it is coming. I think it's touched, isn't it? Yeah. So around this level, you can add just a 1 rupees difference. You can add on the current level. So I will just uh, take a screenshot of that also, because I can share with my friends. So you can add the current level also. So guys, I drawed a line here, so it's getting around just at 1-2 rupees difference here. So you can add the current level around 72 total level, but stop loss would have been below here. Okay, depending upon that, you have to position your size also. So quantity size also. And just at 20%, I will just write it here also, so that you can see 20%. And here also I will just draw a line here also. So here coming to this level, add the rest of the quantity, or full of, or 50%. Rest of the 30% you can look for this level also. So no problem, because guys, just a 40, what's the SLU? So it's just a 40 point SL. So add the rest of the full quantity here. Okay, the full quantity you can add here, guys. Okay, so that's my view. So guys, if I tell you with the value price, not technical base, just value price discussion. Value price means just this current price discussion. So current price में हमको कहाँ पर मिल रहा है entry? You can see around 72 level में हमको entry मिल रहा है. So you can punch the 50% based on value price. Okay, value price is a different price concept. So I am telling you advanced concept. That means if value price means the company price, based on the prices we discussing the stock. Okay, that's it. So it's not a technical section, it's an advanced section. So I will tell you that also. So nothing more. Here you can see it says what is the value here getting. You're getting the total value of 24 points, isn't it? So what is the percentage? 34%. So 30% you already getting. So what is the value current level? 78%, 78 rupees. So you know that you are taking the SL of 24 points. If you calculate it on points, on value, not on the percentage. Percentage is 34% there. So if you are ready to take that 24 points, mind that you are taking the stop loss. If I am telling you that if you have a fixed stop loss rule, okay, what is fixed stop loss rule? You have a 40 point stop loss, or 100 point stop loss. Imagine that you have 100 point stop loss, 100 point. So 100 point you punch 100 quantity. Then 50 points, what will be the quantity you punch? You punch 200 quantity, isn't it? Yes. So there you will punch 200 quantity on 50 points. If it is coming to 25 points, what will the quantity size? Quantity size will be, what will the quantity size? Quantity size will be 300. So, oh, not, sorry guys, not 300, it's 400. So 400. So based on the value price, you can calculate here. So what is the value here? Total value is 25 points. So based on the 25 points, you have to add the quantity, and you have to calculate the percentage. Here you can see this already, it's 31% of the move. So if it is taking the SL, you hitting the 34% of the money without with the risk reward of 1:3. So it's a good, guys. Okay, so if you are targeting, what will be your target? The target will be around 1. Oh, I just picked a wrong item. Okay, so measure, where is measure? Yeah, so yeah, here you calculate here 150 will be our 1 is 3, isn't it? So 150 percentage means the stocks has already doubled. Okay, the money you are putting in the stocks, it's doubled. Okay, so that's the value section. So you don't have to go to the complicated section, just add. So I will just tell you easily. Okay, so you don't have to add these complicated sections in your mind. So guys, uh, just add here a 50% of the quantity. Rest of 50% add here. Stop loss will be here. That's it. Nothing more. That's it. So I will just take a 50 percentage here. Okay, guys. Here. Add a 50 percentage here, and oh god. Oh, here you can see. Add a 50 percentage here and add a 50% here. Okay, that's it. I will just remove all drawings so that I can take a screenshot also of this. Stop loss would be below here, guys. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, so here you can see, guys, current level entry, and coming to here entry 50%. That's it, simple. Don't have to be go to this advanced stuff. So, okay, just simple technical based analysis. That's it. So yeah, so that's it. Stop loss would have been below here. Okay, guys, that's a rule. So stop loss we cannot change. Okay, that's a rule. So firstly you are, guys, the profit making is the second thing. Okay, firstly we have to look where our SL will become. So that's the important thing in our trading system. Okay, on my, if you want you can use or anything you want. Okay, I am not telling you to use depending upon my view. You can use whatever you want. I'm just discussing my personal view, because I'm just discussing, guys, because I am also learning. So if I'm discussing some stocks, then I can also learn. That's why I'm discussing. So I don't have any care that you make profit or loss. I don't care anything. So if you want you can use another and just ignore. That's it, guys. So I will just take a screenshot here so that I can share with my colleagues. Yeah. Yeah, I will just take the photos. So 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 we will continue. So we will discuss the IDFC First Bank, okay, on previous video. So now we will continue with IDBI, okay, Bank Ltd. So you can see here. So I will just open the chart. So I will put this on weekly. Here you can see I will just put it on weekly. Here you can see. Okay. So guys, yeah, guys, yes. So I will just discuss from the top here. You can see, guys, it has been a multiple spike. Here you can see multiple rise has been came. Okay, here you can see higher level maybe हमको एक trend line. You can see here a trend line. If you draw like this, okay, not like this. If you draw like this, you don't get. If you draw like this, you can get a trend line. So lower level maybe हमको एक multiple touching level यहाँ पर मिल रहा है. You can see here, guys. Okay, so it is breaker bottom and top multiple time. Here you can see here also it's broken. So that's why I'm telling you, if it is directly breaking this type of, here you can see, guys. So I will just zoom it. Here you can see directly breaking. So this type of pattern, the probability will be lesser. That's why I'm telling you under lesser quantity 50% maximum. If it is directly breaking, that's why I'm telling you. So lower level maybe इसने stock ने sellers को trap किया. Here you can see it's trapped sellers on lower level. Okay, because it is breaker, so sellers maybe think that okay, it's going to be a sharp nightmare, so we can go with short position. So their XL has been taken there. Okay, so after that nothing more to discuss on that. So just extend the line, okay, like this. Okay, so guys, here you can see a pattern. Okay, so it is coming. Just a second. If I calculate the data range, where's the data range? You have to put the data range on. Where is this scan books and other things? Where is the Yes, sir. This art section. Guys, I didn't getting the data range section. Where was that? Yeah, guys. Okay. So if I put the data range, okay. Because I will put the data range when the most of the time it came below. Okay. Here you can see, guys. It is from here onwards. It is most of time it is traded below. Okay, so I will just put the data range from there. So it's weekly chart. So here you can see, guys, when I will just put on the when the breakout is happened that time also, that when that time on, here you can see that time onwards. So 553 bars has been created. It's around 3,857 days. Volume is around, you can see, 22 billion something volume. So guys, I will just tell you a professional trading look. Okay. So here you can see this much of candles has been created from the bottom level, isn't it? So if this much of candle has been created there, what they need so much of money on selling side, isn't it? Because they are creating, it's around 40-50 rupees, so they are creating shorting. Here you can see also, here also they created the position. If here also it's breaking, isn't it? So they created multiple positions there. So where they will put their SL? That's also important question. So you can see here there can be a clusters of SL around this level. Okay. So here you can see it's broken, so there sharp SL can be taken. So here you can try a entry. So I will just put this thing on my Telegram channel so that students also they can also take an entry. So it's retesting also, you can try here, guys. It's a good entry. I will just put the start on my Telegram channel also. So I will just remove these all drawings. I think you understand the things that I tell you. So from the top level here you can see, guys, if you draw a trend line also connecting the most of the touched line, here you can see trend line also it's breaking, isn't it? So what are the two scenarios here can be occurred? So that's also important, isn't it? So the first scenario is the buyers who have been ended here, their SL would have been below here, isn't it? They may be their exit positions may be here, these swings and these swings. Around these swings they will, I think, on my view, okay, they will be put their SL. So there is two chances, guys. Either it will come like this and come here and go up. That is the first, that is the most time happening chance also. So if you imagine that if you are entering, I tell you to enter on this level, isn't it? Just a second, guys, I will just okay, I tell you to enter on this level, isn't it? Here you can see, I will just here you can see, guys. So I tell you to enter on this level, isn't it? So entering here, enter 50% of the quantity and target, look for minimum target of minimum this high. Okay, it has to, it will take that high, guys. I am sure that if it is going, it will take this high. That's okay. So what is the TR and SL you getting there? So if I creating a long position on the current level, stop loss would have been below 20 to 23 points is the stop loss there. Okay, space also I'm calculating 23 points, and coming to here it's only getting 1 to 1, isn't it? So depending upon that, add your position. It can be go up like this, guys. It can go to this bottom also, this high also. This is a probability also, but it can go. Okay, imagine that you putting the target here. Okay, so what much of the TR you getting here? Here you getting 81, isn't it? 1:3 is already getting. Okay, so I think, okay, guys, put the target on there and there, because it's already multiple times hit level, it can be breaking. So put the target there. That's my view. Here will the target. It's around 1:3 is getting. So I will just upload this chart to my friends, colleagues. Okay, so I'll just remove these things so that they can clear. I will just remove these things also, so that they can understand clear, they don't get panic. I will just remove these things also. I will just take a screenshot of this. Okay, so stop loss would have been below here, isn't it? Yeah,
50 okay, I can write on after editing. Okay, thank you. Well, just take a video. Yeah. Yeah, done. 70 photos, isn't it? Yeah, 70 photos. So now we will go to IC. What is its name? IC. True Life INC. Okay. I think it's production, isn't it? What's the full name? So guys, this ICICI Pro Life INC. So I think PRE means, I think protection, or not production, isn't it? It's PRE. Okay, just let it go. So now we will discuss this job. Okay. Okay. So thank you. I will come with another. I discussed the IDBI Bank LTD on a previous section, so now we will continue with the ICICI Pro LTD. You can see in ICICI, okay. ICICI, okay, Pro Life Insurance, isn't it, corporation? So we can look on the weekly chart. So guys, so now I will just, here you can see, guys, now where you getting the recent high has been created on current level. Here you can see a recent high has been created on this level, isn't it? It's created, isn't it? Yeah. So after that, here you can see, guys, it is tested multiple times here, isn't it? Is this a good section? Yeah, it's a good section. You have to just do. And here it's broken. So I will try here. Okay, I will put the SL below here. I don't have to put below this. That will be not. Just again. Yeah, stop loss would have been just below here. Okay. No, guys. Yeah, guys. That's the problem. Okay, here you can see, guys, the entry is getting here itself. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, now I will just say, okay, when you trading, you need to see firstly the breakout is happened. Here you can see it's breakout is happened from here. So their SL is here, isn't it? So if you enter in this breakout, here you can see I told you I will enter this breakout, but that's wrong. I will enter on this breakout. I guess so. I didn't see this thing. That's why I told you that. Okay, so I will enter in this breakout and putting the stop loss below here. Okay, and on this, if it is consolidation and breaking, we can try. Otherwise also you can try 50% of the quantity putting below the SL here. Okay, just put below the SL here, nothing more. Okay, we don't put because it can, here you can see, guys, M has been and gone up. So that's why I'm telling you direct breaking is a little bit risky. It's 2-3 candles waiting, then breaking will be better on weekly section. 1 month waiting will be also better. Okay, so that's why I tell you, enter the theory. What I want to tell you is, we have to just look on. Firstly, we have to enter on the section. Okay, what I mean is, if you are entering in a trade, you have to look where was the first entry that it came. Okay, that came earlier. So if here is the first entry you getting, here you can see. So entering here will be the better. Opportunity will be stop loss, not opportunity. Stop loss will be below here, and TR we will look for 1:3, and I think it's getting also 1:3. If I calculate the measure, here you can see maybe no. Maybe you will end trade in this moment, isn't it? Here. So stop loss is 133 point. It's 1:1 only. Okay, no props. Breakout itself will be better. Don't wait for I will if I am entering, I will enter on here onwards. There you can see, and stop loss will be just 100 points, and TR will be, I will look for 300 points minimum. So if I am entering here also, I will add 50% of the quantity and taking the SL only below here. Okay, nothing more than that. If vehicle taken, I am okay with that, but 50% of the quantity here. Okay, nothing more. Okay, it's M. Maybe I will wait for to break this low also. Okay, I am entering there also, but maybe I will putting the SL below here will be better on that sections, or below here will be better. But depending upon that, you can bunch the quantity if you are entering that breakout also. Okay, here also you entering, depending upon that, stop loss will have to be below here. That should be better. Here you can see how it is taking your SL if you are entering here. Okay, so that's it. Entering here, you will be on profit. So on current level, I will discuss. So guys, on current level, direct breaking, are we entering here? Here you can see, guys, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's waiting and it's breaking. So putting the stop loss below here, you can punch 50% of the quantity. Why we will punch 50% of the quantity? It's waiting there sometimes, no props, it is waiting around 3 weeks, it's waited. So you can punch the quantity of just if I tell you my view, I will punch 50% of the quantity, maybe 25% of the quantity also, because already I punched it here, isn't it? 50% here also I punched it. Okay, stop this. So maybe 25% of the quantity you can punch here, okay, because already the move has been happened from here. It is 28% move has been already done. So 25% of the quantity is better on this level. Okay, so that's my view, 25%, and it's breaking, isn't it? So it's 2 day, isn't it? So just wait for stop loss only below here, okay, isn't it? So that's rule, only below here will be stop loss, just giving his free space also, just 3 to 4 point free space, and stop loss will be below there. Nothing more to be there. It can be fully retraced, okay. That then also I will just tell that also. Here you can see, guys, it maybe it can be fully retraced from here and here coming here. Then add full quantity here, isn't it? Okay, full quantity stop loss would have been below the thing that we recently made, and here will be better stop loss. And look for a large TR also. So current level, just 25% of the quantity is taking SL, just let it go, not problem. If it is taking SL, okay, not a problem for us. So SL is not a problem for us. Okay, we have to take the all opportunity that is coming. The trading is based on the probability. Okay, if you have to, if you taking the all trades that I'm giving to you, the stocks that are getting to you, the all entries if you are taking, that means in any ways you are in profit. Okay, I am 100% sure that if you take the all entries that you're getting on stock section, if you are trading in just price action in stock market, just stock section, no futures and option, other things, just ignore that stuff, only trading in stocks. If you take the all entries that's getting on the stock, you will be on profit. Okay, that's it. You will take the all entries, but make sure that you are adding the quantity depending upon the position sizing. Okay, that's also important. Okay, stop loss rule is must. You have to obey the stop loss rule also. So that's it. So that's it. That's what I tell you. So that's it, guys. If you're breaking, I will upload this chart to my Telegram channel so that they can also enter, isn't it? So just a second, guys. I'll just remove these things so that they don't get confused. Okay. Normally, if it is getting a 2-3 sell candle here, I am perfectly out. I am punching 25% with confidence, but now I am punching the 25% here with no confidence, not much confidence. It will go down by because it is green candle, guys. Here you can see it's also green. So the candles colors I will discuss another series about the candles colors, how that affect our market sentiment also. So that's it. I will just take a screenshot that I can share with my colleagues. Okay, I will just put this thing here. Yeah. Yeah, I will just take a screenshot. Okay. So I will just tell you another thing also, a trap also. Here you can see a trap also. So connecting from the bottom lines, I seeing a trap here. Okay, traps I will discuss on another series. It's have to be more to discuss also. Here connecting, I getting a trap. Okay, here it can be go here and it can be maybe come with a large candle. So we have to enter here. Okay, that's our rule. Maybe sometimes it can be hit here also. A sharp candle can be also come here and hit our things also. Okay, why? Because you can see a trend line is making the bottom lines. Okay, a trap side, that's a different section. I will discuss on another series. So in that cases we will just wait for here to get any consolidation pattern to break up, because higher level में हमको एक resistance भी मिल रहा है then that time. Okay, so also I will just remove nothing to discuss on that trap section. I will discuss another section that is a large section. I have to discuss multiple patterns, lots of to discuss on that section. So it's difficult also. So I will discuss on another section. If I discussing in this series, it's gonna be a 10-hour to 12-hour section in this one video. Okay, so so that's it, guys. I will just take a screenshot that I can just upload from upload to them. Okay. Yeah. That's it. So guys, we will move to the next step. Okay. So now we will continue, guys. We will just discuss. We will next discuss the another section. Okay. So now we will go to this. Sorry, already I discussed this. Okay. Now we will go to ICC Lombard GAC LTD. Okay. So I will put the chart on weekly so that you can clearly understand, because if lower time frame there can be a massively distraction. Okay, massive distraction, so maybe you will get confused. So nothing more to discuss in ICC Lombard GAC. Here you can see, guys, here was a resistance level, it is came to that level. Okay, that's why here also you can see that I tell you direct entry will be here. You can see if you punching the quantity here, you will be maybe take this. That's why first here you can see first entry is getting here. So try on first entry, that will be better. So here also my favorite pattern is coming here. You can see, guys, I tell you in multiple videos 90-degree patterns I am this we will not consider. Okay, this around 90 degree, but you can consider this section. Okay, here you can see, guys, just connect these lines. Now it's perfectly getting, isn't it? So breaking here you can try, and maybe you will be in stop loss, but price space also calculating. If you putting a price space of just 3%, 2.5, I usually use 2.5 as well. Yeah, it's not taking, you getting the target. And here also nothing to be more here you can see it's came below, above, and consolidated breakout, big plus big also. This is a trap. So traps I told you I will discuss on another section. So that's it. On current level, any type of flags or wedge, or cup and handle, or triangular, you can go with that. Okay, so that's it. So now we will go to ICC Bank. Okay, so so here you can see I rotated a line. Here you can see I rotated some lines here. So these lines I rotated when I am trading in option around 2022 level. So that time I rotated these levels. Okay, around August total. Okay, it's around 3 years, isn't it? So good. When I am also not studying, I am trading on that time. Studying 2020, 21 lot level. 22. Studying also. On that time, I wrote up these lines. Okay, here you can see. Okay. So here also nothing to be discussed. Okay, this bank section, it is good for investments. Okay, trading. More than trading, you can invest in these sections. Okay, guys, here you can see, guys. Maybe I can. I will just remove all drawings here, and I will just show you something. So. Here you can see, guys, some multiple time hit level was here. Okay, just wrote that line directly. Here you can see, you can enter here. It's trap also, so you can try there also, and some entries has been coming here also. And so this is COVID time, I think. So this time I started is trading. Okay, guys, so this first time I started the trading around this lot level, 2021 lot level. I studying this level. Okay, this time I study around 2020 lot level. Okay, so it is it's 4 years, isn't it? So okay, Okay, current level I didn't see anything to been discussed more carefully. Okay, so I didn't see anything, nothing to be discussed here on current level. It if you are if you are going with investment like personal things, you can go with current level also, because these stocks can be doubled also on upcoming years. Okay, what on swing personal swing entry I didn't get anything. Here also, if getting any pattern, I will try only 50% of the quantity swing. Okay, because it is continuously. I will try 50% of the quantity. Okay, that's it. I will go more than swing. I will go with positional in this type of fundamentally good stocks. Okay, so we will go with Hindustan Unilever Ltd. Okay, okay. So in this chart also I will just put it on weekly. So here you can see guys, multiple time hit level is getting here. So if I draw a like this, it is not applicable, isn't it? So you can draw like this. Yeah, multiple time hitting. Yeah. So it's broken guys. So directly broken. That's the thing. Okay, if it is broken, it is directly broken guys. That's a little bit confusing here. You can okay, I will add this person in my portfolio also. I will tell my students also to buy here. So stop loss would have been below here. I will put the stop loss below here. Guys, it is multiple time hit, so directly breaking no problem, but it in case 3-4 candle is getting, then breaking will be more good. Okay, so you don't have to put below here, isn't it? Here 2 red candle, 2 weeks has been it's waited there. Okay, so add the position on current level and waiting. Yeah, it's gonna be below here. I can put the solution. So just saying guys, we're creating a long position here. Put below here, isn't it? Pre-space also we can put done. Yeah, it's got me 150 point SL is good. 125 yes, 140 points, just a pre-space also. SL is good. On current level it's a good entry. Quantity size we will look for full quantity size here. Okay, so I think it's a good stock also. I don't know fundamental. I didn't know the fundamental things. How the companies work. I don't know that stuff. Okay, but on my view, I think it's a good stock. On my trading, when I started trading, I studied these stocks also. At that time, it was a good stock. I don't know now what's happening on the company, but if you think it's a good stock, hold the trade. Not take the SL in case if it is coming also, because it's a good trade. If it's a good stock, why did we take the SL? So if it is coming down, if it is you are taking position, just add the quantity. That's it. So otherwise you can just if you are not interested in positional going with in this stock, going with positional in this stock, just go and swing. So entry will be here, and target we will look for a large target. Okay guys, at least a large target. We will not look for 1 is, you can maybe book 1 is 3, but my target only my target when it achieve my target would have been, here you can see this much of I will maybe I will get. Okay, on the upcoming sections. Okay, 4000 level will have to be the target on the base of pattern. Okay, but okay, you can book 1 is 3 depending upon your view, but minimum not look for 1 is 3 that type of minimum look for around 700 points will be better. Okay, 3500 lot level will be better. So minimum look that much. Okay, add the full quantity also. Just I will just take a screenshot also, so that my student also, they will also get this. Okay, they can also enter in this section. Okay, so stop loss would have been below here. Okay, nothing more. If it is coming down, okay, let it go. Take the SL. We will add up on another when we get another entry opportunity. Okay, so stop loss is a simple rule. We have to just keep the pre-space also. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's it. I will just take a screenshot. Yeah. Oh, where I have favored the thing. Okay, just a second, guys. Okay, guys. So we can continue. So Now we will go with Hindustan Petroleum. So just a second. Okay. So on Hindustan, yeah guys, here also, yeah, lower level में एक ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेक हो. Here you can see guys, lower level में एक ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेक हुआ. Here you can see multiple touched level has been broken and sharp move has been occurred from there, isn't it? So imagine that if you're drawing like this, okay, on that time, this again, like this, on that time, then also you are in profit, okay guys. So that's why I'm telling you, first entry will be better. Here also you can enter. If you entering, you are in a massive profit, okay. So I will just remove all drawings and we will just look. Here you can see on current level, here multiple heated resistance is taken and breaking. So enter the current level and put the stop loss below there. Quantity will be 50% because it already rallied much more. So quantity will be 50% from here, okay. So I will just write it 50% of the quantity you can add here, okay. I will just take a screenshot of this also so that I can share with my colleagues, okay. So long position, if I creating a long position here on current level, stop loss would have been below here, okay guys. So that's the rule. Don't take the SL, don't put the SL below here. Would have in this type of pattern on my view, okay. You can take you whatever you want. I am not concerned about what you do. I am just concerned about what I do, okay. So on my view, I will put the SL only below here. Price wise also I will look, and depending upon that I will put a target, okay. 50% of the quantity, okay. That not much more than that. 1:3 you can look. So that's it. I will just take a screenshot of this also so that I can share with my friends, okay. Yeah. So, okay guys, so that's it. It's nothing more to discuss in this section, okay. So now we will go to Hindustan Aeronautics, okay. So nothing more to be discussed in this chart. Here you can see nothing more to be discussed. So on my view, if you are interested in buying, or if you are interested in not buying a positional, just try here. Coming to here, just try here. It will come here, okay guys. Not my words, it will come here. Otherwise, if you are going with pattern or any type of technical analysis, just wait for any type of pattern or anything like that. So wait for that. Otherwise, if you are interested in some of the some going with some quantity with positional bias, okay, just wait for here. Go there. That's it. Nothing more to be discussed in this chart, okay. So here you can see it started itself. It's going, it's spiking. So nothing more to be discussed here. So that's it. Yeah, first COVID section. 2022. Yeah. This COVID. Okay. That nothing more to be discussed. So now we will go to Hindalco. So you all know the Hindalco company. It's a famous company also. So guys, yeah guys, yes. Here you can see. Here was a resistance level. Here you can see multiple time heated level was there. It came there and it's touched. Okay. Just a second. Here was also a level, isn't it? So that's why I'm telling you, entering on first level will be better. Higher level में भी जब भी entry करते हो मैं तब quantity lesser करता हूँ, so that my risk reward will be maintained. So that's my rule. If you want, you can use, otherwise just ignore. I'm just telling my view, okay. So here was a perfect entry, no props. It is coming from there, and yeah, that's it there. Just if you are missed this trade here, guys, this was the perfect time to enter 50% of body, but no props. Here you can see, guys, higher level mein trend line is coming. So just wait to break the trend line. Okay, just wait to break the trend line and then itself, and short if you creating a long position there, stop loss would have been below here. Okay, that's a rule. Stop loss must below here. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay, stop loss would have been below there. So stop loss is 129 points. Depending upon that, you can put the TR also. 163 will be better on TR level. Okay, look for 163 minimum. 300 something point, 1000 load levels. Look for that fit. So that's it, Hindalco. So here you can see that COVID time. Okay, after the guys, what was the perfect time to invest in that COVID time? Oh my god, what a crash has been came. If that time I am studying, but guys, you can see them what much of the move has been happened. Every stock of, if you take any stock, you can see minimum 1000% of the move has been run from there. Okay, I will just tell you that you can aware of that. You aware of that. That's it. So if it is breaking, you can enter, guys. Okay. So this was a perfect time to enter, but we missed it there. So you can enter when the highest level kind of stop loss would have been below here. Okay, that's it. So I will just take a screenshot of this also so that I can share with my colleagues. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. So that's it, guys. Okay, guys, just second, guys. So we are back, guys. I just cut the video because I just want to do a important thing. That's why I cut it there. So okay, guys. Where would have been discussed? I think in Stampetrol. No, in Hindalco is it? Yeah. So now we will go with Hero MotoCorp Ltd. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I will just put the chart on a weekly time frame. You know the reason why I will put the chart on weekly, so I didn't remembering again and again. So nothing more to be discussed here also, I think. So here was a breakout. This has happened from this level. From there it is non-stopping, so we have to just wait. Nothing on the current level. Okay, nothing, just wait for a retracement then only enter. So people who have entered here, if I am entering, I will only use 50%. Okay, stop loss will be here, they will be in profit there. Okay, so maybe they will book some of the profit also. 1:3 will be better. If I just second, if you enter here, what is it? There are 500 point, and you get 1,100. Yeah, you can book some of the quantity, 50% of the quantity in 1:2, because you are entering on higher level. And that's your view, and that's my view. You can also usually I will book 1:3, but on higher level you can book, because guys, if you are entering from here, you can book 1:3 or 5 or whatever you want, because here you can see it can go, because long higher high time frame pattern, because here you can see 3 to 4. That's much of selling position will be lesser here, so we have to look that the positions and that things I will discuss on another series. At much more to discuss how sellers make traps or buyers make trap, how they average their position sizing. So that's an advanced concept. So I will discuss maybe on upcoming months. Okay, maybe I'm not sure I will discuss, but if I have time, I will surely discuss. Okay. So that's it. Nothing more to discuss in Hero MotoCorp. Okay. So on my current views, just wait to retrace full. If it is going up, just let it go. Again, if you entering on this type of pattern, make sure that not use 25% of the quantity. Okay. Here you use 50, here use 25. If again coming here, use 50% of that, around 12.5 quantity here. So that's it. So I am just telling my view. Whatever you want, you can go with that. I am just telling my view. Okay. So I am not telling you to buy or sell depending upon my position size. Okay, or my view. I'm just telling on my view and my position sizing, based on my position sizing. Okay, not you to buy or sell based on my view. Okay, if you want you can go, or otherwise just ignore it. Some the ones who wants to study these things, okay, they can also they can study. Okay, that's it. So now we will go to Havel section. Yeah, I think Havel में एक बड़ी पैटर्न मिल रहा है, अच्छी पैटर्न आई थिंक. So here was a breakout level. Firstly it happened here, so you can punch full quantity here, full quantity when the breakout is open. If you punching the full quantity, you may be end up in loss. Okay, if you punching here, you may be end up in loss. Why? Here you can see it is coming and taking the wick, but in case you putting a perfect brace pace also 2.5 here also. Just a second guys, usually I look 2.3 to 3% also brace pace, maximum 3. I think if I putting 3 here, it also doesn't take this. A second, what's the percentage? I can see the percentage brace. Yeah, maybe it will take, isn't it? 3 not touching, but maybe it will take, no props. Again enter and again not enter there, just ignore. Some trades you will not, it is going up, but you will ending up in loss. So after that, here you can see guys multiple here you can see multiple hitter level was here. So if you are entering here also, I think you hitting it's your SL is in it. So it's a trapping stock. Okay guys, here also I think it's hitting. If I just calculate the price page also 2 point, not hitting you. You just what a God's mercy. Here you can see you just yeah. So this is my rule guys. I am not putting telling you to put these type of things. Okay, you can do whatever you want. So if you entering, you maybe, if my rule, if you follow my rule, you don't take the sell. And on current level, we will, what of the quantity we will punch, we will only punch maximum 50 or 25. Okay, if it is breaking 25% of the quantity, 25. Okay. So just wait to above 230 level, isn't it? Above to 945 level you can try. Okay, why I am telling you, why I am not telling you here to try, because we don't know if it will reject from here. Because if it is coming to here, maybe some people will draw like this also. Okay, so they will think that this will be the resistance. That's why I am putting like now I am just putting like this. Okay, if you draw like this, it's already broken. So the people who seeing on different scenarios, so that's why I'm telling you enter above here. Okay, and short position, if you creating a long position here, where will be your stop loss, and how will be doing. Okay, depending upon that, punch the quantity, and TR also based on that look. Okay, 1:2 book, 1:3 you want, it's risky, but you can book also. 1:2 book minimum quantity, enter 50% of the quantity here. Okay, which is a higher pattern, because the only the perfect entry has been gamed here. Okay, that's why I'm telling you. I will just take a screenshot of that also, so that I can share with my colleagues. Yeah. Yeah. So we will go to next stock. What is the next stock? HDFC Life or LTD. So nothing more to be discussed here. Okay, I can see a bottom trend line here. Okay, and a higher trend line here. That is strong. It doesn't suiting my trend line concept. like this also it doesn't suit it. Yeah, you can try that. And here I think I can try. Yeah, but now it's coming. Okay, now it's good. So nothing more. This type of pattern I didn't know in these sections. But anyways, here you can see here was a breakout has been already done, isn't it? Here was a pattern. So here if you entering you may be in profit. So just wait to this level to broken and enter directly breaking. Quantity will be lesser. It is multiple time bracket level also, but where you will put the SL, that is the section. In case you getting just one candle, sell candle also, they put the SL below and punch 100% of the quantity. Directly breaking, punch 50%. That's it. Thank you. So in directly breaking section, if it is directly breaking, stop loss would have been below 50%. That's it. Okay, nothing more to discuss in this thing. So we will go to HDFC Bank. So HDFC बैंक में एक बड़ी अच्छी सी पैटर्न बन रहा है. Here you can see guys, this level में multiple time hit level and multiple time trapped level also. Here also ended trapped. So pattern is getting. So when you see a perfect breakout, I think here multiple time it is trapped the sellers, buyers who buy from here. That's why here also you can see it is directly coming and breaking. That's why I'm telling you if it is directly making 50% of the quantity. So that's it. Just wait for a breakout, then enter. So HDFC AMC. Okay. Here also here was a pattern. Here you can see it's broken and it's going up. Nothing more to be here. Okay. Don't enter current level, nothing to be entered there also. So that's it. Nothing more to be discussed in this chart. Okay. HCL Technologies. Here also resistance is getting on the current level. Directly breaking will be make doubts in this section. So if it is directly breaking, put the SL below here and enter. That's it. Nothing more to be discussed in this thing also. Directly breaking, put the SL below here and enter. Okay. Why I am telling, but 50% of the quantity. Okay, 50% quantity. Here you can see here as a resistance, it is touched there. So that is there can be a trap. Okay, so 50% here. Gujarat Gas Ltd. So it may be. Here you can see guys, a 2011 was make it from the top. Okay, and it's broken and it's going up. So nothing more to be discussed. Here you can see here was a level. Okay. So yeah guys, yes guys. So coming to this level we can try using it. So I will just create a low position here. Yeah, stop loss should happen here. Yep. So I will just take a screenshot here and I will just share it with my friends. So Grasim Industries, nothing more to be discussed here also. Nothing to be discussed. It is the breakout has been already happened from this level. Okay, nothing more to be discussed. And now what's the last Godrej? So Godrej section also I didn't see anything to be discussed. Yeah, upper level mein I am seeing a level. So coming to that level you can try, but quantity will be lesser. I think it's already retested also. There you can see it is already retested. So wait, you have to wait. What will happen? You have to wait. Guys, you have to wait. So coming to here you can try, but quantity I am not okay with this stock. I am not telling you to anything in this stock. Okay, I will just watch this stock in my portfolio. That's it. Thank you. So in this section we discussed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 stocks. That's it. And we will complete another section.